everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download 5Paisa application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open your App Store and in the search box type in 5Paisa and search. Go and look for this application from 5Paisa Capital Limited and tap on the Get button. Go ahead and log in with your Face ID or your Apple ID to begin downloading the application. 5Paisa is one of the best mobile trading application in India. The app offers industry's premium features, world-class technology and much more. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, and once it's done, you can open the application anytime you want. So that's how you can easily download 5Paisa application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.